Hello guys, new things box from eBay. This one is a GoPro holder for the Zhiyun Smooth Q. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Yeah. That's all in the box. Velvet kind of bag. Okay, plastic bag with some screws and a metal arm, and the metal piece itself. It's quite heavy, actually. You can see it's thick on this side. It's also have a camera mount. Yeah, you know. This bag. What's that noise? It's a dishwasher. Sorry guys, sorry. Oh, there it's over. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. It's to mount the camera. Oh, more dishwashing. Let's test out the Hero 5. Okay, the Hero 5 and the bracket has a nice, I don't know the name for it. Anyway, it's curved for the Hero 5, so it will fit very nice inside. So let's assemble the small thumb screw. Really easy to do. Yeah, sticks nicely. Smooth Q. Let's see, like this. And then the balance. Open the screw and all the way out. Oh, you see? Camera is a little too heavy. The bracket should have more weight on this side to make it balanced, but anyway, we will have to try it like this. Yeah, it works. Excellent. The only drawback is when you do wide angle movies, you will see this in the lens. To fix that problem, we power it down, flip the camera around. Of course, same problem with the weight. Looks even worse, actually. How come? I don't know. All the way out. Tighten the screw. Yeah. Power up, and here we go. And then we do the selfie mode. 3 times pushing the button, and then there is nothing in the way. Everything is excellent. Very nice. But like I said, the balance is no good. It's not good for the Hero 5, Hero 6, because if you turn it off, you will see it's way too heavy. The arm cannot be pushed far enough out. Apart from that, it looks excellent. And if you like me, you have of course a Hero 5 or Hero 6, but then you have a lot. I at least have 3 of these Hero 3s. So the question is, will this one fit in the bracket as well? It's only one way to find out. Remove the 5, number 3 plus in, and yeah, it's not as nicely as the Hero 5, of course, but in some way it will fit inside the groove. Sticks like glue. Done. Back to the Smooth Q. And then what way was it we putting it? It was putting it that way. Then again the balancing. Oh! Ha! This camera is much lighter than this one, except... Okay, let's weigh the cameras. The Hero 5. Yes, 116 grams. The Hero 3. Only 73 grams. As this is way too heavy now, adjust it. Still too light, too light. And here we go. Excellent. That's good to know that this camera is really too heavy for the balancing weight. But the Hero 3 will work good. Let me see. 3 times pushing the button, and here we go. Yeah. Now the motor has to work much less because of the weight is okay. With this one, the motors have to constantly work to make the counterbalance. Yeah. Of course, this is not weatherproof like this, so. But anyway, it's working with the Hero 3 as well as the Hero 5 and Hero 6. Can you use the Hero 3 with the, you know, the screen? Well, let's check. The screws are a little too short, I'm afraid. You see, well, missing 4 or 5 millimeters. But you can get longer screws at your hardware store. But to test the balance, let's do a rubber band. Let's do a rubber band. Let's secure it with a rubber band. Like this. And then let's see if we can balance it. Okay, the arm is all the way out. There's no way you can move this anymore. Still much better than with the Hero 5, 6. Yep, that will do. Let's see. Go. Fantastic. It works. Let's see if you can see the picture on the back side. Yes, we can. Even though it's a rubber band in the way, but still, it will work. So, if you get longer screws, you can use the Hero 3 with the screen, LCD screen, and yeah, it's almost the same weight as this. The underwater housing, dive housing, underwater housing, cannot be fitted without any modification, but a simple what do you call it? Rubber stick, rubber bungee band. Then you can yeah, stick it somehow to the bracket, but then again it will be way too heavy, even if I put this on the utmost position. There's no way it's gonna balance, but of course the engine is quite strong, so motors, so it kind of work. But you see it, oh, it doesn't like it so much. No, it's too heavy. So underwater housing, I think it's called that, underwater housing, cannot be used with the Hero 3 and the bracket. There is one easy way to use the underwater housing inside the Smooth Q. If you cut off this Gopro mount plastic, yes, you can just clip it inside. No need for a bracket. As I don't have cut it off, you will see it will be a slightly, yeah, you see, off. When you do it this way, the camera will also be the right way around. Let us check. Here we go. Fantastic. No problem with the balance. Everything works like it's supposed to. And then, of course, again, you don't need this. The sound on the other hand you need an open housing like this to have a good sound quality if you need sound. Excellent. And the screw on the back side of the Smooth Q makes it, you can turn this one the other way around, and then of course you can do like this, and then the balancing thing. Oh, no, the camera is too light. Don't think that should matter. Let's see. And here we go. And again. No problem at all. Oh, yes, maybe. Okay. Well, this must be some kind of automatic feature. Definitely. Okay, but then works like a charm. The problem is, of course, you cannot see the screen on the back side of the GoPro. That's where this bracket comes in handy. And this method you can use, of course, on the, and if we use the Hero 3, no, push it as far out as possible. It's too light really to be accepted by this. Okay. Okay. It might work, actually. Yeah. How about if you put it inside the diving house, waterproof housing? Okay, that's much better. It's almost balanced. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah. Seems to be okay. So you can definitely use the waterproof housing in this clip. And you can also use it the other way around, like this. It's also possible, especially if you remove this plastic piece here for the GoPro mount. Let's see how this balance. Okay. Almost. Yes, that works also like this. So if you remove this one, you can put the camera further in. Okay, looks good. The housing, let's see how that works. Yeah, almost balanced. It should not be any problem. No. Looks okay. Okay, there you have it. If you want to use the screen, you need this bracket. I think it seems like the motors don't get overload so much. Then you compare this, you do this in the without the bracket. So it also works with the Hero 3 or 2, I guess, will be the same. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you.